Hey entrepreneurs! Are you spending hours creating posts, analyzing data, and trying to keep up with social media trends? What if I told you there's a way to save time, boost engagement, and grow your audience, all with the power of AI? In this video, I'll share the top AI tools for social media marketing that you need to try. Let's dive in. Social media is a powerhouse for growing your business, but it can be overwhelming. That's where AI comes in. AI tools can help you automate repetitive tasks like scheduling and posting, create engaging content faster than ever, analyze data to improve your strategy, personalize interactions with your audience. In fact, businesses using AI for social media see up to 30% higher engagement. Ready to see the tools that can make this happen? Let's go! Here are the best AI tools for social media marketing, broken down into categories. I'll show you what each one does and how it can help your business. First up, content creation. Writing captions, brainstorming ideas, and designing visuals can take hours. But with these AI tools, you can cut that time in half. ChatGPT is my go-to for generating captions, hashtags, and even post ideas. Just type in a prompt like, "Write a catchy Instagram caption for a productivity tool," and it gives you tons of options. Canva's Magic Write feature is perfect for creating quick social media copy. Pair it with Canva's design tools, and you've got a post ready in minutes. Pro tip: combine ChatGPT for text and Canva for visuals to create stunning posts fast. Next, let's talk about scheduling and automation. These tools help you plan and publish content without lifting a finger. Buffer is a lifesaver for scheduling posts across multiple platforms. Its AI features suggest the best times to post for maximum engagement. Later is perfect for Instagram automation. It even has a visual planner so you can see how your feed will look before posting. Save 5+ hours a week by automating your social media schedule. To grow on social media, you need to know what's working. These AI tools analyze your performance and give you actionable insights. Sprout Social uses AI to track engagement, monitor trends, and even recommend content ideas based on your audience's behavior. Brandwatch is great for sentiment analysis. It tells you how people feel about your brand and helps you adjust your strategy. Visuals are key to standing out on social media. These AI tools make it easy to create eye-catching graphics and videos. DALL generates unique images from text prompts. Need a futuristic cityscape for your tech brand? Just type it in. Pictory turns blog posts into engaging social media videos. It's perfect for repurposing content and reaching new audiences. Top struggling with design? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Chatbots and engagement tools. Finally, let's talk about engagement. AI chatbots can help you interact with your audience 24/7. ManyChat is a powerful chatbot tool for Facebook and Instagram. It can answer FAQs, collect leads, and even drive sales. For a custom solution, you can use the ChatGPT API to build your own chatbot tailored to your brand. Engage your audience 24/7 with AI chatbots. Before you go all in on AI, here are a few tips. Always review AI-generated content to make sure it aligns with your brand. Combine tools for better results, like using ChatGPT for captions and Canva for visuals. Use analytics tools to track performance and refine your strategy over time. Remember, AI is here to help, but your creativity and strategy are what make it powerful. Alright, entrepreneurs, those are my top AI tools for social media marketing. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video on automating your business with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.